Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Tuesday, January the 11th. Woohoo! Let's check out our number corner. Let's see what's on today's card. Wow. Today we have a math equation that says 11 is equal to 5 plus something else. And we've talked about whatever we have on this side of the equal sign must be equal to whatever is on the other side of the equal sign. So if we have 11 on this side, what two numbers can we add together to make the number 11? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's find out. We'll go to our calendar observation grid and put in today's information. So we're going to put for today's date. And then we will add 11 is equal to 5 plus something. We'll use that information to help us complete this. 11 is equal to 5. We'll say 11 equals 5 plus, and we have to figure out what that plus is. So we'll go here. Tony has 11 cupcakes. Amira gave him 5 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did he get? Did he already have? So let's think about that. If we have 11 as our big number, what plus 5 would equal 11? That's what we have to figure out. Again, we've talked about a strategy you can use. You take the number, the answer that you do have, and you subtract what you do know that you have already. So you really could say 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. So if you have 11 and you take 5 away, how many do you have left? If you said 6, you are absolutely correct. The answer is 6. Very, very good, All Stars. What we're going to do now is go back and we are going to add another day in school. Oh my goodness gracious, do you see what I see? We are adding another day, but we can do some quick math with this, All Stars. We're adding another day to now make another group of 10. But this also makes our 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80th day of school. And I want to show you something. You can do this. I believe in you. If we have 80 and we're trying to get to 100, 80 plus what will equal 100? Remember we talked about this last week where you have a number plus another number to help you get to the big number. All I did is just take the zeros off. So this is really 8 plus what equals 10? once you figure out what this number is, you add another 0 behind it, and that will tell us how many we need to make to get to 100. So what is this? 8 plus what? How many would we need, class? Tell me. Did you say 2? Yes! Very good. 8 plus 2 would equal 10. So that also means that 80 plus 20 equals 100. That's what we would put if we were completing this as a math equation. So we have 80 days of school. Can you believe that? We've been together for 80 days. Incredible. 80. So we're putting a new number word here. 80 is word 8, and then that Y is there. And then that means 8 groups of 10 and 0 ones. 0. 70 plus 10 is one way to make the number 80. One way to make the number 80. As we continue on, we are going to add more coins to our collection. Let's spin and see how many we'll get today. Another dime. Dimes are the magic coin for this week, looks like. So far we have 2 dimes we've collected, nothing else. Dimes are worth how much, class? Dimes are worth 10. So if we have 2 dimes, how much money do we have? 20 cents. Very good. Thank you very much, class. What I'd like you to do now, you know we believe in counting to help us grow stronger and stronger. I'd like you, challenge here, to count from the number 70 all the way to 100. And then, once you get to 100, I want you to count backwards all the way to the number 70. You can do it. I believe in you. Off you go.